Happy Tuesday, photoers. All right, so this week it's pretty straightforward. You need to. So on Friday, you have two things that are going to be due. So you have your silhouette project that you should have been working on, and then your bi-weekly assignment. And then, on B Day, don't forget to check in. And on Friday, don't forget to share what you've been working on. Okay. Remember, that can be an assignment, that can be just a fun project or random stuff. Okay. Let's see. Photo B, you're going to be doing low angle for your bi weekly. And then photo C, you know the deal, right? You're going to pick one of the things that you haven't done yet. Remember, you got 20 plus options to choose from, and that's it. Not too complicated this week. I'm just clicking on stuff apparently. Where are we at? So what else? I think that's about it. Don't forget to check out the Spotify playlist. And then if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me either during the office hours. You can send me an email or Schoology message. If you want to chat outside of office hours, just send me a message. I'm usually pretty available. So that's about it, I think. Yeah. All right. Have a good week, and I'm excited to see what you submit on Friday.